Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to install intellij for free. There are some intellij editions which are not for free. I bumped into one, then after it was asking me for a license or to buy, so it was a stress for me up until I learned that there's that for free. So what do we do? I'm using Ubuntu. If you're using Windows, no stress. I'm gonna show you what you have to do. Ubuntu, you look for Ubuntu software, you go to search, you look for intellij, idea. So you see, abandon all of this. You see ultimate and all this, leave that. You have to download this, the one to say community. This one has a free edition, you get me? And this has web and mobile development. This one has this only, you get me? So you open this. So which means in this one you might not have everything you're looking for. Wrong password. Wow. Okay, after that it started downloading. This one is the one for free. Also on Windows, if you go to download intellij, you can do this. Let's go to Chrome. Maybe Firefox. intellij. Okay. You see, it tells you to download, say Windows. It has a lot of things here. You can see there's pricing, that, forget that. This one is for 30 days and this one is free for community. So the one for community, you can just click and download that instead of using this one. Just have to click this. Just wait. You can see it started downloading. Okay. See on Ubuntu what's going on here. On Ubuntu is trying to give me some stress, but anyway, on Windows we fine. See, you can go back also and say Linux 30 days, then you can take the one for community. Click there. Also it has started what? Downloading. Okay, that is done. One for Windows, you can go to our downloads and it's here. We just have to double click, then it will install. So here, since this is giving us trouble, we can, this application, it can access all personal whatever. Okay, now I'll leave this alone. I'm gonna install it after, when it's done here. Well, the guys on Windows just double click that, then you install and go. But then remember, that free version doesn't have everything. Let me go here back. You can see what you get from free version. Okay. Spring, you don't get Java EE. You don't get all of this. Spring Boot, you don't get it on the free one. All of these you don't get, all of this you don't get. So you only have your Java, Kotlin, Groove, Scala, Maven, Gradle, SP. You understand all these things. So anyway, it depends on what you want to do. But anyway, another alternative could be your NetBeans. If you don't get all of these in NetBeans, you just have to download plugins and put it in. See, I'm using NetBeans to run my Spring Boot applications, you get me? So, but if you want to use just Java and maybe Kotlin, it's fine, you have that for free. You don't have to stress a lot. Let me see if my, yeah, also this one is done. I find it necessary to do this video because I thought it was going to be good for you guys to download this for free, because the one which asks for payments, it's a problem for beginners when you don't have money to do that. Yeah, well, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. You can also extract this here. Yeah, also that is still going on. There's no reason for you to stay here. You've seen how to do that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.